Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're watching me for the first time, my name is Lizzie. You're welcome. Today I'm going to show you all how I achieved this bridal gele. The first thing I did was to fold the edges of the gele to make sure that everything is neat at the front. After that, I made about 4 pleats on the base of the gele. So after doing that, I went ahead to trace the pleats down towards the neck area of the mannequin on the left hand side and also on the right hand side, just to make sure everything is very neat. So at this point, I'm going to turn the head of the mannequin to the back, and I'm going to make one hand really short and the other hand long. So the rule for this gele tutorial today is 70-30. One hand of the gele has to be really long and the other hand short. So at this point, I'm going to work with the longer hand of the gele, and I'm going to start by making round pleats before making fan pleats. So this is where I'll start making the fan. I'm just going to make pleats like this and then pin. So at each pleat that I make, I'll pin, but it's not compulsory for you to pin, because you can also achieve your fan gele without pinning your pleats individually. So I'm just going to start making the fan like this. So instead of making the pleats all the way to the top of the fabric, I'm going to make it all the way to the right hand side of my fabric, where my right hand is. I'm just going to start making the pleats all the way to where my right hand is. So while I make the pleats, I'll be tracing the other pleats that I have made already down towards the left hand side of the face of the mannequin. So once I'm done making the pleats, I'm going to twist the short hand of the fabric and I'm going to place it on top of the plates that I have already made. I'll take it behind of the pleats that I've already made and then just pin everything at the back. So right now we have our fan pleats. You can see that I am arranging them to make sure that it comes out nice. So this is just a half fan gele. So for the other part of the fabric, which is the short part of the fabric, I didn't pin everything. I had to leave some parts of it out. So that's what I'm using to form these rows at the front of the gele like this. So for the remaining part of the fabric, which is the longer hand of the fabric from the 70, I'm just going to take that and I'll spread it behind the fan pleats that I've done and then towards the back of the head of the mannequin. So once you're done pinning that down, make sure that you go ahead to trace your plates properly. Just arrange the gele properly so that it looks good and to your taste as well. So I'm going to turn the head of this mannequin to the back to show you guys what it should look like. So I'm going to close the back of the gele. I always prefer closing the back of the gele because I feel it looks neater that way, but opening it as well isn't all that bad. So I'm going to pin it to make sure that there are no loopholes and to make sure that it comes out really nice. So once I'm done doing that, I'm going to turn this mannequin to the front again and then arrange the pleats until I am good, until I like what I see. After arranging your pleats properly, this is what your gele should look like. I made a half fan gele today, but you can make a full fan gele. It's just you making the pleats all the way to the other side of the face, just making a full fan pleats. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I do hope that it was helpful. If it was, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like and share, and please also turn on your notification button so that each time I post you get a notification and you'll be the first to know. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video.